I'm being chased by a Komodo dragon from Indonesia. Oh my. I'll see y'all later. We got a universalyums box from the country Indonesia. Apparently that's a new country for them, so I nabbed this box. It comes with a brochure that has information about the country, about the foods in the snack box. It gives some recipes if you want to try your hand at cooking. So let's have a snack taste test.
Yeah, that sounds like fun. Our first treat is Coffee Joy wafers, which are like wheat wafers covered with sugar and have a coffee flavor.
And here we go. This is what they look like, and I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but they've got, I don't know if that's salt or sugar on them.
And I think that those also were the ones with Himalayan salt on them, so that may be salt.
Okay, well, cheers. Oh, these taste like coffee, and that's not one of my favorite things in the world. Oh my. A good crunch, I'll give it that, but oh, definitely tastes like coffee. Not.
Yeah, that works for me. I like a good coffee.
Well, we know who's going to get to eat the rest of that box.
And this is vanilla layer cake. Vanilla, it's pandan, which is like a vanilla flavor. Let's give it a try.
This is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna heft it in half, and well, I didn't exactly do the best job of that. Which half do you want?
Let's see, I'll take this half.
That's what it looks like. Here we go.
Sweet, spongy.
Oh, you got moist. To me, it tastes a little dry, but maybe it's the lighting. It looks green on the inside.
It does. Next up, we have Yuppie yogurt gummies.
Fairly easy open package.
Almost look like little Coke bottles or something.
Maybe orange flavor?
Yeah, it's hard to place the flavor. They're sweet and gummy. But yeah, maybe a little citrus kind of orange. So,
Not my favorite, but not horrendous.
yeah. Here's the savory part of today's box. It's Maxicorn roasted corn chips, it looks like.
In an easy open package.
In the less than easy open package. I think Anne's going to have to slice this one open.
Bag of corn chips.
Let's see what these corn chips taste like. One for you, one for me. A nice gentle spiciness.
Yeah, I was gonna say
It's not just plain Doritos, for instance.
yeah, a lightly flavored Dorito, more than a Tostito, not as hefty as a Dorito. So somewhere in between.
But a nice spicy flavor. Here's the candy bar of the bunch. We have a crispy caramel chocolate wafer candy. And here's what's inside.
This is what it looks like, and gee, if you know, you know.
Do we have to try this?
You get first bite.
Kind of crispy and caramel gooey. And I both taste the caramel and the chocolate.
I get a little bit of a crispy, a lot of chocolate, a little bit of the caramel. I'm not a big chocolate person. I know, I'm weird, but not bad as things go.
Mm-hmm.
Our next item, Olee's Cheese Choco Cookies, and it's each one individually wrapped. So we tear that apart. Oof.
They make you work a bit for these.
This feels messy. It's because it is. Okay. That's what it looks like. The corner is crumbling off in my hand. Take a bite, don't bite me. It's messy. Kind of like a Pop-Tart with the inside on the outside.
Like a half Pop-Tart, but a crispier crust than a Pop-Tart.
Now I'm finally getting a bit of a cheese. It's not cheddar. It's not Swiss. Parmesan?
Yeah, I get a tiny bit of cheese now that I've eaten more of it.
And I'm trying to decide what cheese it is.
And the ingredients didn't tell what cheese it was. It just said cheese. Our last goodie is this lemon mint with Himalayan sea salt. I think it's like a candy or something. We'll see what's in this little package.
Oh, I was expecting something yellow. That tain't yellow.
Sort of like a white lemon drop with a little mint flavor. And I get the salt.
Kind of like a salty lemonade.
Mm-hmm.
Which, and of course, I can't suck on a candy. I have to chew it up. Interesting. It definitely, I can feel it, the back of my mouth and the top of my throat. It's almost like a cough drop in a way.
Yeah, kind of a throat lozenge. It sort of feels like it clears your throat and almost helps you to breathe. It's like,
The mint part is definitely reverberating throughout my taste buds back in there, and it's almost like a menthol versus just a light mint. It's almost like a menthol that is like, oh gee, I can take a deep breath. I feel, I can breathe better. Not that I was having breathing problems before yet.
but it does have that. Yeah, it does feel like you can almost breathe better.
Yeah.
So it's sort of like a throat drop or something.
Interesting little thing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm giving top honors from the items today to this lemon mint menthol candy. I think that's my favorite from the box. How about you? What's your favorite?
I think the Coffee Joy wafers were my favorite. I like the taste of coffee and kind of as a cookie.
And our second
Favorite.
top honor, second favorite, second top honor goes to
The Mexicorn roasted corn chips. We both like those.
Yes, they were good. Oh, I've been running and running to get away from that dragon. Oh, did I hear a mention of a chip? I'm hungry.
Here you go, Camel.
Oh, those were good. I think I left you a crumb or two.
Good thing we got to sample them before the camel got back.
Well, I'm hungry. I was being chased by a dragon. So what'd y'all think of the box? Leave a comment down below since I didn't get to see it. Leave a comment down below. What did you think looked good? I'm an inquiring camel. I want to know the details.
One of the fun things that comes with the Yums boxes is that in their informative brochure that also goes through, the culture and all the ingredients of the items and recipes, as Anne mentioned, is it also comes with a trivia train, which is trivia questions about the country in question, in this case, Indonesia. Are you guys up to some trivia questions?
Hey, why not? Let's go.
So you can prove you're not just a pretty face.
Well, I don't want people to think I'm just a pretty face, so... Everyone out there, leave your answers down below. Keep track. Let's see if you can do better than Anne and I do. Last time we did this, I think we got 0 correct.
Uh-oh. Okay, well, here's some Indonesian trivia questions. The first one is, Indonesia is still counting its exact number of blank. A, islands. B, islands. C, volcanoes. D, abandoned buildings.
Islands was on there twice.
You kind of caught that, yeah.
Huh, that's strange. I wonder if they're trying to give us a hint or is it a trick? Ooh.
What do you think?
Islands.
Right!
Yay, we finally got one correct!
Apparently the, seismic and volcanic activity and so forth tends to alter the number of islands by the year, so they never were able to completely count the islands. So it's up in the air, but I think it's over 1,000 islands that compose Indonesia. Okay, next question. Are you a coffee lover? Will you be brave enough to try the kopi luwak beans, which are made with A, silkworm larvae, B, civet poop, C, crushed wasps, or D, clay coating?
What's making? What's making?
Crushed wasps?
No, worse than that.
How worse?
Civet poop. Civets are a nocturnal cat that
Oh my God!
that they feed
No,
coffee beans to.
Oh.
I think I might change my vote about those coffee wafers.
Oh no.
Okay, final question.
Did you actually say cat?
Yes, big cat.
Oh, I think I'm gonna. Oh.
You're not going to take a coffee break in Indonesia?
Ugh. Nope.
Okay. What flying object are there dozens of Indonesian scary stories about? A, strangely shaped UFOs. B, killer bats. C, soaring monkeys. Or D, a disembodied head.
What's making? What's making?
Monkeys?
No, disembodied head. So Madame Leota would be very happy.
I don't like these questions. Are we done now?
We're done. At least you got one of them right.
We got this box from Universal Yums. It's their smallest box where you get 5 to 7 items for $29. So that would make this box at 7 items. Each item is about $4.15 each. The shipping was free, and they didn't charge us any tax. So it was a country that they stated was new. We've never done this one before. It's a new country to them. Interesting box. Yeah, go give it a try, and thank you for watching today. And hope something looked tasty. I was being chased by a Komodo dragon that you find in Indonesia. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, you know the whole routine. And we do hope to see you again in another video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.